Hello everyone, welcome to Winners 10 YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share you a trick how we can open locked sliding door cupboard or cabinet without using key. So before I begin this video, I request you to please subscribe Winners 10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. Thank you so much. This is the sliding door lock, and if you see here there is a knob. We can lock the sliding door using key or just by simply pressing the knob, and the lock will be moved inside a small hole of the other door. The sliding door is locked now. Now to open the sliding door without using key, we have to make room between these two doors. Make some room between these two doors so that the lock comes out from the hole of other sliding door, and then slowly and cautiously move the sliding door to open it. If you see here, I have opened the door without using key. See here, the door is open. I am moving the sliding door. Let me show this clearly once again. So now the door is open. Let me lock it. I am now locking the sliding door using the key. Now it is locked. So now I will show you the trick how we can open the sliding door without using key. So with thumbs press the back door, and at the same time with other three fingers pull the front door and slowly open the back door when the lock comes out of the hole of other sliding door. So if you see here, the door is open now, and I can easily move both the sliding doors. So this is the knob of around 18 mm. So if you can make a room of 18 mm, then we can open the door. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe Winners 10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. Thank you so much.